Hi, my name is Sean Duffy and I created Excel Everest. I'm actually currently a medical student in an MD MBA program, but prior to medical school I worked in an analytical group and I found myself using Excel all the time for everything. I thought of what would be the ideal training resource for Excel. And what I ended up coming up with was something kind of like Excel Everest. So Excel Everest is pretty much like a book about Microsoft Excel, but written in Excel itself. I worked really hard on this Excel product and I decided I wanted to turn it into a company. And I needed to figure out a way to protect my intellectual property. So I came up with the solution of just registering each copy of Excel Everest to each user by putting their billing information and their email address in it, just locking it in there so that it was theirs. And I needed a .NET library that could do that server side. So I spent some time researching what might be able to do that. And I found some that definitely couldn't work, and I ran into Syncfusion on a message board, and there were some pretty favorable reviews. So I looked at the Syncfusion website. It seemed like it could do what I needed it to do.
As Sean's developer, we evaluated a few of the .NET libraries that could replace Microsoft Excel, and we're impressed with Syncfusion XLSIO because our file used a lot of macros, and XLSIO supported them gracefully.
So my developer tried it out, and it pretty much worked. We ran into some technical snags along the way, and Syncfusion's technical support was just on it, spot on it. They even pushed us an update before it was officially released, just so we could test it on our server to make sure it was working for my product.
When there were issues with our extensive macro-loaded Excel file, Syncfusion's technical support made the additional effort to evaluate it and come up with stable fixes with a short turnaround time. We appreciate the great customer service that we received from Syncfusion.
I was able to launch my company successfully. We're about to release the 2010 version soon. I'm really excited to see where it can go and how I can grow the business. I don't think we could have done it without Syncfusion and the .NET libraries that you provided and the excellent customer support. So thank you so much.